Welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to see how to download Cuphead on your laptop or PC. If you want to download it, first of all go to the browser and then search for Steam. Now log into your Steam account and on the right side you will see a search button. Simply click on that and type Cuphead. Here you will see the Cuphead. Now simply click on the add to cart. I have already done it. Now go to the add to your cart. Now sign into purchase. You need to sign into your device and add account details as well, and simply click on this and then purchase it. It is a very simple way to download Cuphead. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.